Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year coming and a lot of us are making all kinds of different dishes. Now, I know for vegetable you all will be making the luo han zai, yeah, Buddhist delight. But other than Buddhist delight, if you want to make a second vegetable dish, you can try this. Very yummy, I assure you. So this is I have one half of cabbage here, Chinese cabbage, yeah, Chinese cabbage, and then cut into big chunks like this, and then of course you want to wash. And very important here is the shiitake mushroom, and this is the very big shiitake mushroom I'm using today. It is initially dry, but I actually soak it for about 4 hours to soften it, and then I cut it into thin slices like this. And we are going to stir fry these two separately, and I'll put we will put the mushroom on top of the veggie later. And the mushroom, let me tell you, it's going to taste really, really good. And here we have some mushroom water that I use to soak my mushroom, and some garlic and also ginger. So first of all, I'm going to saute and braise the mushroom first. Give it some oil and also a bit of minced garlic. Once some of the garlic started to brown, we can actually throw in the rehydrated shiitake mushroom. Saute it a bit. This will further enhance the flavor of your shiitake mushroom. Wow. Saute for a minute or two before we continue. Alright, this is after about 1 to 2 minutes sauteing. You can start seeing some of the mushrooms started to brown a bit, yeah? Super fragrant right now. This is the time where we want to add in some water, or you can use the water you soak the shiitake mushroom. I don't mind giving a little bit more water. Give it 1 or 2 rounds of light soya sauce. A bit of dark soya sauce. Ooh, not too much. Some salt. And you do need a bit of sugar on this. Yeah. I'm going to add in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well. So, give it a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. If you want to make this even more fragrant, there's one thing you can add. This is some fried garlic, right? This will further enhance the braised flavor. So now that it is boiling, I am going to tune down to medium low, and I will let it braise for minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Then our braised mushroom is ready. That's how simple it is. And meanwhile, we can actually start frying the veggie. I'm going to give it a bit of oil and put in the ginger garlic. Once you see some of the garlic started to brown, we can actually put in the white portion of the Chinese cabbage first. We'll put in the leaf slightly later. I'm cooking a lot, that's why I'm actually separating into 2 rounds. If not, you can put in everything at the same time also, no problem. Some people prefer some softer veggie, right? No right or wrong. As long as it doesn't become chao da will do. And we'll give it a bit of water here. putting the leaves. And I'm going to close this. Right, this is about 1-2 minutes. We don't really have to give this veggie too much flavor, because later all the flavor will actually, or most of the flavor will actually come from the braised mushroom itself, yeah? You can just give it some base flavor, which is some salt, and some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. So once the veggie is softened, then it is done on the veggie part. You just need to wait for the mushroom. Right, this is, I have been braising my mushroom for the past about 12-13 minutes. It should be good enough. I'm actually rushing to cook other dishes. So you can cook about at least 15 minutes, yeah? About cut short 2-3 minutes today. Still, it's going to taste really good. So this is done, and I'm going to put this onto the veggie. So here's my Chinese cabbage. Here's my shiitake mushroom. Alright, now you know what I mean when I say that the shiitake mushroom is going to flavor the veggie later. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.